Tired of dragging hoses and guessing when to water? It can be exhausting and time-consuming, not to mention the uncertainty of whether you're giving your plants too much or too little water. Imagine a system that waters your garden automatically, saving you time and effort. No more manual labor or second guessing. Just set it and forget it. A smart irrigation system is like having a personal gardener, ensuring your plants get the perfect amount of water, precisely when they need it. These systems use advanced technology to monitor soil moisture levels, weather conditions, and even plant types to deliver the optimal amount of water. Not only will your plants thrive, but you'll also conserve water. By delivering water directly to the roots, these systems minimize evaporation and runoff, making every drop count. The system's precise watering eliminates waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. You'll be doing your part to conserve one of our most precious resources while keeping your garden lush and green. Get ready to say goodbye to underwatering and overwatering, and hello to a healthier, more vibrant garden. Your plants will thank you with more blooms, greener leaves, and stronger growth. This guide will walk you through creating your own smart irrigation system. From selecting the right components to setting up the system, we've got you covered. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With clear instructions and a bit of patience, you'll have your system up and running in no time. With a few readily available components and some simple instructions, you'll be on your way to automating your garden watering in no time. You'll need items like a smart controller, moisture sensors, and drip irrigation lines. These can be found at most garden centers or online. Start by connecting your smart controller to your water source. This device will be the brain of your system, managing when and how much water is delivered to your plants. Next, place moisture sensors in the soil around your garden. These sensors will monitor the moisture levels and send data to the controller, ensuring your plants get just the right amount of water. Finally, lay out your drip irrigation lines. These lines will deliver water directly to the base of your plants, reducing waste and ensuring efficient watering. You can even control your system from your smartphone. With a dedicated app, you can adjust settings, monitor water usage, and receive alerts if there's a problem. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your beautiful, thriving garden. With a smart irrigation system, you can have a greener garden with less effort and more peace of mind. Before we begin, let's gather the essential components for our smart irrigation system. This step is crucial, as having all the right tools and gadgets at hand will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Don't be intimidated by the list. These items are readily available online or at your local gardening center. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, you'll find everything you need with ease. First, we have the soil moisture sensor. This is a key component that will help you monitor the moisture levels in your soil accurately. This clever device measures the moisture level in your soil, acting as the brains of our system. By providing real-time data, it ensures your plants get the right amount of water, preventing both overwatering and underwatering. Next is the microcontroller, which acts as the control center, receiving data from the sensor and activating the water pump. Think of it as the heart of your smart irrigation system, processing information and making decisions. Speaking of which, the water pump is a little powerhouse that will draw water from your source and deliver it to your plants. It's efficient and reliable, ensuring your plants get the hydration they need. The relay module acts as a switch, turning the water pump on and off as instructed by the microcontroller. This component is essential for automating the watering process, making your system truly smart. Connecting wires will link all the components together, ensuring seamless communication. These wires are the veins of your system, transmitting signals and power where needed. Finally, you'll need a water source and suitable tubing to deliver the water. The tubing will carry water from the pump to your plants, ensuring even distribution. Remember, the specific components you need may vary depending on your garden's size and needs. Larger gardens may require more powerful pumps and additional sensors, while smaller gardens can get by with simpler setups. Don't hesitate to ask for advice at your local gardening center if you're unsure about anything. The staff there are usually very knowledgeable and can help you choose the right components for your specific situation. They can also provide tips on installation and maintenance, ensuring your smart irrigation system runs smoothly. Additionally, there are plenty of resources available online and in gardening books that can offer guidance and inspiration. Taking the time to research and plan will pay off in the long run, making your gardening experience more rewarding. As you gather your gadgets, take a moment to familiarize yourself with each component. Understanding how they work together will make the assembly process easier and more intuitive. Sketching out a plan for your garden can also be incredibly helpful. This will give you a clear idea of where each component will go and how they will connect, ensuring a well-organized and efficient setup. With all your gadgets gathered and a solid plan in place, you're well on your way to creating a smart irrigation system that will keep your garden thriving with minimal effort. Happy gardening! Now let's put these components together. This project is not only fun but also incredibly rewarding. By the end, you'll have a fully functional smart irrigation system that can help you maintain your garden effortlessly and bring our smart irrigation system to life. Imagine the convenience of having your plants watered automatically, ensuring they get the right amount of moisture without any guesswork. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be amazed at how easily it all comes together. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, this guide will walk you through each step with clear instructions. Step 1. Connect the soil moisture sensor to the microcontroller using the connecting wires, following the wiring diagram provided with your components. The soil moisture sensor is a crucial part of this system as it measures the moisture level in the soil, ensuring your plants get just the right amount of water. This connection allows the sensor to send data about the soil's moisture level to the microcontroller. The microcontroller then processes this data and decides when to activate the water pump, making the system efficient and responsive to the needs of your garden. Step 2. Connect the relay module to the microcontroller, again referring to the wiring diagram. The relay module acts as an intermediary, allowing the microcontroller to control high-power devices like the water pump safely. The relay acts as a switch, controlling the flow of electricity to the water pump based on instructions from the microcontroller. This ensures that the water pump only operates when necessary, conserving water and energy. Step 3. Connect the water pump to the relay module and your water source. The water pump is the heart of your irrigation system, responsible for delivering water to your plants. Ensure all connections are secure and watertight to prevent any leaks. Leaks can lead to water wastage and potential damage to your electronic components, so take your time to double-check everything. Now, the system is ready to deliver water to your plants when instructed by the microcontroller. With everything set up, you can sit back and relax, knowing that your garden is being taken care of automatically. This smart irrigation system not only saves you time but also ensures that your plants thrive, even when you're not around to water them manually. Enjoy the benefits of technology in your gardening endeavors. Setting up your soil moisture sensor is crucial. It tells the system when your plants need a drink. Gently insert the sensor's probes into the soil near your plant's roots. The depth at which you place the sensor can vary depending on the type of plants you have and the soil's drainage. For most plants, placing the sensor about 2 to 3 inches below the surface is a good starting point. Ensure the sensor is positioned securely and won't be disturbed. You can use a small stake or clip to keep it in place if needed. With the sensor in place, it's time to connect the controller and water pump. The controller will act as the brains of the operation, receiving information from the sensor and activating the water pump accordingly. Connect the controller to the sensor using the appropriate wiring, ensuring a secure connection. Next, connect the controller to the water pump, again following the provided instructions. The controller will send signals to the pump, turning it on and off as needed. Finally, connect the water pump to your chosen water source, which could be an outdoor tap, a rain barrel, or even a large container of water. Ensure all connections are watertight to prevent any leaks.